sunroof.
No, I'm just kidding. Alright. It's approximately, oh gosh, 10:05. Operation Grasshopper is now in effect. Oh, there he is going in the store. He went. The Grasshopper is in the store. Oh, now he's back out. And he's talking. He's telling everybody he got a new mower. Look, I got a new mower. I'm excited. Where's my mower? Y'all want to come see it?
I'm gonna drive it out of here.
Grasshopper.
So I wonder if we can see Mama's car if we get right there.
Yeah, I'll be moving.
Yeah, well, actually, if we move
out of the way when he comes out
might.
with it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's out. There he is.
He's coming to get his gas tank.
Yep, it's a proud moment. There's Mama getting out. He's like, I got it, Vicky. You go ahead. He set his gas can down. He's looking around. Oh.
They're planning their path out.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Yeah, because he may end up driving. Oh.
Oh, we will get on the move.
Yeah.
We'll be mobile.
He won't be going that fast. There's Mom pointing the direction. There he is. He's excited. Let's see, tell Mom to back up. There's his gas can.
Hello?
Hey, it doesn't matter. It won't matter which way he goes. We can still follow him.
Okay, they had to go get the key because they got the lawnmowers all chained up.
Yeah.
And they're trying to get the keys for the chain
Yeah.
to get the lawnmower loose. So
Cool.
Which one is it?
The hold up.
Is it outside or inside?
It's outside.
Okay. Alright. Just checking.
Love you, bye.
Love you, bye. There's Dad's mower. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's all excited.
We're gonna put a gas in it.
He's got audience. Oh my gosh.
Here we go.
There goes Mom. Mom's out. Dad's by himself and the workers are gone. Here we go.
We have to have audio.
Here he goes. Here he
Just get
goes.
his lights on.
Oh my gosh.
Is he smiling?
They're laughing at him. At least he's going on the right side of the road. Oh gosh, he stopped. What's he doing? Don't let him see you. This is fun. Alright. Yeah, don't get too close in case he looks backwards. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Hurry, go. I want to get him crossing Church Street.
Go, go, go.
This crazy guy crossing Church Street.
Here we go.
He doesn't even know we're behind him. Will he even notice us?
No, probably not.
He didn't even notice. He looked right at us.
Oh gosh. Oh my god, what is he doing? Your face.
What is that redneck doing? Oh! Mom's out in the yard. Go pull up and... Wait, go ahead, go. Go. They're turning.
You would beat the horn in it.
No, let him come in front of us too.
He found it into the fire hydrant. Come on.